what are digital dentures and how are they made? The workflow is different than the traditional methods where most patients don't like having those messy impressions taken, multiple appointments. With the digital workflow, one of the biggest attributes is that we can save the patient's existing denture or prosthetic and their anatomy in our cloud. So if you ever break your denture or lose it, we can reprint or remill your exact denture within hours and have that back to the patient instead of starting all over again and taking days or maybe even weeks.
If you are interested, the first step would be to refer you to a dentist or surgeon. They're going to do a special x-ray, which is called a CBCT. And really what that x-ray is going to determine is whether you have enough bone. So quantity of bone, quality of bone. They're going to go through your medical health considerations. And based on the dentist or the surgeon's findings, they're going to determine whether or not you're a candidate. Dental implants.
A lot of patients get nervous with getting a new denture, and with our digital workflow, we can take a new impression for that patient, but we can scan and create an exact replica of the patient's smile that they love, so they don't have to have the worry about getting used to something new because they've loved their smile that they've had for years.